Both major newspapers were hard at work this weekend. The New York Times, Washington Post, one did a list of contacts with Russians. The other did a list of those who've lied about Russia. The numbers per person are unbelievable and staggering. We had a graphic prepared with them. What's behind it in your view? What do you say to people who may know deep in their mind this is so not normal for a presidential campaign or a sitting presidency?
You know, the answer to that question really comes down to one of the main things at the heart of this investigation. We see, as the Times, detailed so well this weekend, the just repeated number of contacts between people at senior levels, at mid levels, and junior levels of the campaign with any number of Russians, some direct intermediaries from the Russian government, some a little more tangential. And then we see them repeatedly lying about it. They lie about it publicly. They lie about it under oath. They lie about it to the FBI. And the question, I think, is why do they lie about it? Are they lying about it because they know it's become a massive political scandal and they're just trying to they're trying to limit the political damage to it? Or are they lying about it because there is an underlying crime, this conspiracy or collusion that we talk about a lot, that they're really trying to protect to keep investigators from uncovering? And that really, is one of the central questions of this investigation. And I think, though we don't know the answer to that question yet, at the end of this investigation, we may see, a big criminal charge around conspiracy, or we may not. This may be the end of it. And if this is the end of it without a criminal charge, I think the question for the American public is direct criminality the only bar of appropriate behavior by which to judge a president and the people around him? Or should we also take a look at, whether the president violated his oath of office with the way he handled himself with respect to this investigation? Is it okay that he and all the people around him lied about it repeatedly to the public, whether or not he committed a crime? And I think as we get to the end of the investigation, those are going to be some of the big questions for Congress to deal with and ultimately for the public to deal with.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.